Hello, welcome to today's SDGs Share and Learn class. I am Ifebuchichukwu Francisca Ede, and today we'll be discussing SDG 3, which is good health and well-being. And the major aim of this SDG is to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. It has 13 targets, which is 13 specific actions we are taking to achieve it, with the first 9 targets being specific health objective, and that's from 3.1 to 3.9. Now, the rest of the 4 remaining targets are means of implementation, which is from 3A to 3D. And all of this aims to reduce mortality, combat disease, and improve healthcare access by 2030. This very SDG has 28 indicators. Indicators are measurable metrics we use in monitoring the progress that we've made in achieving this very goal. Now, let's take a look at 2 targets and some indicators under it. Now, let's go to target 3.1. It's basically about maternal mortality, and it says that by 2030, we intend to reduce the global maternal mortality ratio to less than 70 per 100,000 live births. And so, how do we know that we have achieved it? It's by the maternal mortality ratio and also by the proportion of births attended by skilled health personnel. Now, you've heard maternal mortality plenty of times. So, what is mortality? Mortality simply means the rate or state of being subject to death, or let's say the rate or number of deaths in a specific population at a specific time or at a set time. Now, what is maternal? Maternal simply means motherhood, female parent, a mother. So when you join the two now, it means that maternal mortality is death that occurs due to complications from pregnancy, from childbirth, or also within 42 days of pregnancy termination. Now we go to the second target, which is 3.2, and it's basically about neonatal and child mortality. And it says that by 2030, it's intend to end preventable death of newborns and children under age 5, with all countries aiming to reduce neonatal mortality to at least as low as 12 per 1,000 live births, and under 5 mortality to at least as low as 25 per 1,000 live births. So now, how do we know that we've achieved this very target? Is by the under 5 mortality rates that we have, and also by the neonatal mortality rate that we have. Again, you have heard neonatal mortality, and so what does it mean? Now, it refers to the death of a live-born infant within the first 28 days completed days of their life. That is 0 to 27 days. If a child dies within these days, it becomes a neonatal mortality. And it's usually because of many reasons, maybe premature birth, birth asphyxia, infections, or lack of quality care, right? So now it's left for you to think and ask yourself, has there been reoccurring death of women during pregnancy, childbirth, or pregnancy termination? Has there been death of children within 0 to 27 days that they were born? Then this SDG is for you to advocate for. It simply means that there is neonatal mortality and maternal mortality in your community. And so you need to take actions, lead advocacy, and start thinking of how do you solve the problem? What is the root cause? Is it as a result of no quality care? Is it as a result of lack of hospitals? Is it as a result of poor skilled health workers? Or what? You need to find the root cause and start leading advocacy, leading change to ensure that this is being put to an end within your community. And that's where you come in. So you see, SDG 3 is a good thing to advocate for. So take a look at your community, nearby community, the state you find yourself, the region, and see if there is a place that this has been a recurring event. Then it is the right time for you to become an SDG advocate. Until then, see you in my next class. Thank you.